Yes, I do. I believe that one day I will be where I was, right there, right next to you. And it's hard, the days just seem so dark. The moon and the stars are nothing without your touch, your skin. Where do I begin? No words can explain the way I'm missing you. Denied this emptiness, this hole that I'm inside. These tears, they tell their old story. Told me not to cry when you were gone. But the feeling's overwhelming is much too strong. Can I lay by your side next to you, and make sure you're alright? I'll take care of you. I don't want to be here if I can't be with you tonight. I'm reaching out to you. Can you hear my call? This hurt that I've been through. I'm missing you like crazy. Yeah. You told me not to cry when you were gone. But feelings overwhelming is much too strong. Can I lay by your side next to you, and make sure you're alright? Or take care of you. I don't want to be here if I can't be with you tonight.